chocolate sauce and hot syrup. Wow! I mean, fuck, what are we doing? Hot sauce and chocolate syrup.
He's a moron.
Wait, is there hot sauce in there?
No.
Put the fucking hot sauce in.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's awesome looking. Hold on. It's awesome looking.
Yeah.
Continent. It's Africa. Black and red.
Dude, but here we go.
Oh my god, I'm puking.
Oh god, water.
My turn. I seem so enthusiastic about it, but really I'm not. I'm terrified. My turn. Oh, Lord help me.
Yeah, I don't know how to describe it.
Horrible. Bad.
Yeah, very horrible, actually.
Bullshit.
Here's David. Yeah.
It's a face.
David, who cares? Come on.
Okay, fine.
So.
Okay. Yeah, it's cold now.
Yeah. We're gonna need some water here. I can already tell it.
It's actually kind of good. You're crazy!
Okay. This is ending now.